Dean, what's in your package? What else? Oh, something sad? There's nothing sad. What is it? Oh, what do you grab? Candy first? Oh, you know what those are. Yeah, sweet tarts, sweethearts. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, open it. All right, show me else. What else you got? Oh, what is that? Rap, rap, rap. The frog from Ada. Show me what else. Oh, is Amma and Ada sent you the package? That one? What's this? A shirt. It's a bear. Thank you. Oh, look at here. Stickers. For your window. Yeah. What else is that? Show me more. More candy. What's this one right here? They're for your refrigerator. That one. Who's that? Is that a hippo? And a monkey? This candy? Okay. Look, a bear. I'm not eating it. I'm opening the candy. He's very angry at me. Here. Here you go. You say, thank you, Amma. Thank you, Ada. Those yummy? It's a bracelet, huh? Only one. Can you say bye-bye and thank you? Here. Say bye-bye. Love you.